Do you feel that?
Since the beginning of time, the Kokomo-Howard County Public Library and staff have rocked.
Where's that voice coming from?
Better question, who is that?
Maybe they're part of our dinosaur show that we're having during our summer reading program.
When is the summer reading program?
We'll kick it off with a celebration on June 4th at South and June 7th at Main. We'll have free games, food, and fun. Plus, it will give a chance for teens, children, and adults to sign up to win cool prizes.
I thought you said there would be dinosaurs.
There will be Freddy Fossil's Dino Show, featuring dinos, puppets, and lots of laughs. We'll have it not once, not twice, but 3 times on June 14th.
Do you feel that?
You mean the Earth spinning again?
You ain't nothing but a bookworm, reading all the time. You ain't got nothing but a bookworm, reading all the time. Well, you ain't nothing but a bookworm, and that makes you a friend of mine.
Okay, that was weird. What's up with all the singing?
My guess is because the summer reading program's theme is My Library Rocks, and that was Elvis.
Who?
Elvis, a popular singer in the 1950s, nicknamed King of Rock and Roll. Well, you'll be all shook up like Elvis if you miss the bubble truck. It's backed by popular demand with a truck that creates all kinds of bubbles. It's soap-tastic, pure, clean fun. There will also be balloons June 12th.
Sounds fun. Unlike what's about to happen.
Hold on! Ah!
On the road where you cruise, there's a bus of many hues, full of books up and down, traveling all over town. We'll come by on a yellow bookmobile, a yellow bookmobile, a yellow bookmobile. We'll come by on a yellow bookmobile. Yellow bookmobile, yellow bookmobile.
Well, that was a pretty catchy tune.
It is. The Beatles sold 1.2 million copies when it was first released, beating a record held by Elvis.
Who?
Never mind. Just make sure you climb aboard a bookmobile to check out books and movies during the crafts held at Jackson Memorial Park every Tuesday, June 5th through July 31st from 9:30 to 11. And during the shows at Rogers Pavilion in Highland Park, including Hedgehog Hannah on June 19th and July 17th.
I'm noticing a pattern here. Every time you start talking about a summer reading program, the world starts spinning.
I think you might be onto something.
Well, you can tell by the way I use my card. I'm a library pen. I'm just that smart. Program start, you gonna do anything more. I've been bringing my kid till she was born. Now they say that it's okay to check out 50 things today. And just so much for me to see, so you should come along with me. Whether you're a brother or whether you're a mother, she'll be making it right, making it right. But she could be taking and crouch, she could be making it by making it right, making it right. Making it right, making it right. Making it right.
And that was a popular song in the 1970s.
I think we're stuck in some kind of rock and roll time warp.
For a change, I think you might be right.
For a change, hey now.
Oh, the 1970s. What a magical time for music and disco. Speaking of magic, KHCPL's summer reading program includes Daniel Lusk's musical magic show on June 21st and again on June 26th. It's 1 part magic, 1 part comedy, and 1,000,000 parts music. Okay, so my math might be a little off on that one, but...
So if we've been to the 50s, the 60s, and the 70s, that means we're headed to...
the 80s!
Call a librarian, and we just call me and you will see.
Wow, that explains a lot about my parents.
You don't even understand. The 1980s were like radical, dude. Totally. Like, seriously, the dawn of MTV and music videos.
MT what?
You're making me so sad. Maybe thinking about Mr. Molecule's Big Bang Boom science show will cheer me up. It'll combine science, puppets, and comedy on June 28th. I'm still pretty hip though, you know, like lasers are cool, right?
Yeah, they're cool, but I'm not sure hip is a very hip thing to say.
Okay, I'm going to ignore you and live in my own little rock and roll world.
Wait, but what about the lasers?
Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, KHCPL will have Laser Shows 101 twice on July 19th.
We're starting to spin again.
That means we're headed to the music of today.
You might not know what I'm about to say. There's Wi-Fi here and you can get away. We have meeting rooms, you can use the space. Or comfy chairs where you can read all day. 'Cause I'll snap along if you know what we're here to do. 'Cause I'll snap along if you know we love to serve you. 'Cause I'll snap along if you know when your library books are due. 'Cause I'll snap along if you want to be smart and happy too.
Oh, come on, that song is contagious.
Well, I guess I do have a lot to be happy about with the summer reading program coming up June 4th through July 28th.
Exactly.